The machine is warm. I'm going to pack the portafilter here and pull a shot. As I mentioned earlier, this is Stumptown Hairbender that was roasted yesterday. Zassenhaus grinder, Pavoni Professional Machine. Tamped. Already warm. Slow up. Pre-infuse. And pull. Looks good. Nice. See a little bit of striping in there. Get that nice crema. Nice solid shot. So, we're going to make a cappuccino. So this is just basic whole milk. Still pitcher. Going to fill it about somewhere between a third and halfway. And unmodified 3-hole head. Plenty of pressure. And when you get those initial bubbles down and start the actual foaming process, skating the head just below the surface, letting the steam do all the work. Alright, now this is the key. You gotta tap out those big balls. Swirl flat, tap, swirl, tap, swirl. There we go. Alright. Now, this was terrible. There is a dry cappuccino. If you want it a little bit more on the wet side, you just add a little bit of milk. And trade cameras. Dale, my partner on the website, and my cameraman. So, cheers to you, my friend. Tell me what you think. It's good?
Really good.
Good. Enjoy.